How to change a voice in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can change a voice in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. First you have to open any project on your Capcut PC and then you have to simply just select the audio over here. I have this audio over here, so I'm going to just click it. And once you click the audio, you'll get this options over here. And now in order to change the voice, you simply have to come to this voice changer. And now you're good to go. And now you can just choose if you want to go with voice filters, voice characters, or you just want to change the speech to song. So let's go with the voice filters. Here you get a lot of options if you scroll down. And you can just choose and add the audio just by clicking it. You can just choose a voice filter, click it, and it's going to be automatically added to it. And now you can just choose a pitch and the timbre over here. And if you want to just change the voice characters, just go over here and choose the one that you like. And that's how you change voice on Capcut PC. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.